So far we have completed this fire alarm system layout. But we must assured that we need to take care that each and every area has installed heat detectors, smoke detectors, and the speakers. If we are not installed, and if we missing any area, we must take care of that. For example, I will see that here, pantry area we have missed. So in the pantry area, we must install the smoke detectors, heat detectors, as well as the speakers. So I will put the speakers, heat detectors, as well as the smoke detectors into the pantry area. The pantry area is a very small area, and in this area there is the lots of heat occurs because of the O1 and all. But for that, we need to keep the smoke detector sensing ability in a very high level, as well as the heat detector sensing ability in a very high level, so that the pantry can be protected by the fire. Here, again, I can see there is the common area which excluded the toilet, and we need to install the heat detectors, smoke detectors, and the speakers into this common area also, because this is the lift lobby, and each lift lobby must be covered with the fire alarm apparatus. So I am putting the heat detectors like this, smoke detectors, and the speakers like this. So here I have put one heat detector, one speakers, and one smoke detectors. Try to key this into the aesthetic look. So here, smoke detectors, speaker, and the heat detectors like this. And again, the smoke detector, speakers, and heat detectors needs to install this common area. So I will put over here also. Here, we need to keep the equidistance into this weakest smoke detectors
and
heat detectors like this. As the heat detectors is always on a 6 meter distance, so I'm keeping the 6 meter distance like this. Again, there is the smoke detectors on an 8 meter distance, so I'm keeping this, but this 8 meter distance cross the building line, so need not to install. Then I will install the speakers on a 6 meter distance. So this is what I have completed like this. Again, here we need to install the smoke detector near this area, as well as the heat detectors near this area. So I have covered up all the common area as well as some areas where I have not put it, all the apparatus. I need to find out each and every area where I can put another smoke detectors, heat detectors, and the speakers like this. So here I have completed. Then some areas, if I have missed any areas, I need to take care. This is the entrance area, but entrance area, this is the common area. This is not comes into the office area. This is a common area and need to take care by the common lobby or by the common spaces or any other builder. So this office area is limited, or the limitation line of the office area is up to here. So we cannot put the smoke detectors or the other apparatus into this customer service desk. This is taken care by the other client. So let us talk about the areas which we have missed. Here I have missed the the speakers, so I need to keep the speakers into the storeroom also. As well as, let me see if any other area I have missed out. Here I have missed out the smoke detectors and the heat detectors. So I need to keep heat detectors and smoke detectors over here also. But keep like this. That looks aesthetically. I'm keeping this. So where I have missed out, I need to take care of that, and gives the communication cable like this. Let us start with the speakers. Speakers like this. So from here, I'll make the communication cable like this. I'll draw the communication cable like this. Here, and come to this point. Match like this. I'm matching this layer like this and trying to connect each and every speakers with the communication cable, and this is what I have done. I have connected each and every speakers with the communication cable.
And
this is what I have done. Now go to the smoke detectors. In a smoke detectors, I need to install the communication cable like this. So firstly, I have to do smoke detectors. I need to select the smoke detectors for the isolate like this. Okay, so here I have missed this 2 smoke detectors. This is 3rd smoke detectors, and this is 4th smoke detector. So I need to connect with this 4 smoke detectors. I need to connect with the main looping. For that, I'll start from here. So this is my first smoke detectors. I'm communicating. I'm connecting the communication cable like this from here to here, like this, and I'll connect this from here to here, and again from here to here.
so
Only this has been pending, so what I will do, I'll connect this smoke detector like this, and connecting like this. Make sure that each cable to be connect properly with the device. So this is what I have done. Again, I will make some changes if I can see the wrong connection like this. So this is what we need to make some changes. Yes, this is the proper connection now. Yes. So this is what I have done. Connected speakers with each other. Connecting smoke detectors with each other. Now I'm going to connect the heat detectors with each other. So I'll make the command like isolation command. So here it is 2 heat detector I need to connect. Here it is 3 heat detector I need to connect.